As an advocate of mental health awareness and community empowerment, my goal is to dive into one of the deepest and darkest phenomenons affecting our mental health and well-being: trauma. Break it down and translate expert knowledge about trauma to diverse audiences. I do this through forums, professional presentations, trainings, and workshops to meet the unique needs of community members, students, and professionals. As an example, colleges, grassroots organizations, churches, and mentoring programs have brought me in to conduct training or consult on trauma-informed care. I also conduct specialized training on trauma treatments for mental health professionals, which are both empirically based and supported by advances in brain science, and teach therapists how to tailor interventions so they're culturally aligned, particularly for people of color, and focused on mind-body techniques. I believe we heal within the context of community. So I address community trauma directly through healing circles, which allow for a safe space and collective process for expressing and coping with shared stressful experiences stemming from racism, oppression, or discrimination. For those in need of stress reduction, I integrate breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and seated yoga. This is a powerful alternative for individuals who would typically not pursue or benefit from traditional treatment by a mental health professional due to stigma, lack of access, or distrust in the mental health system. In addition to my specialization in trauma, I offer training and presentations that focus on various child and adolescent mental health issues, culturally appropriate mental health treatment, social justice issues in the mental health, educational, and juvenile justice system, and ways to use cultural arts within the healing process. As a therapist, I help people unlock their full potential and tap into their inner strengths so that they can feel better, improve their relationships, successfully achieve goals, and solve their own problems, and live life more powerfully. Through a holistic approach, I use best practices, the creative arts, and mind-body techniques, spirituality, and cultural strengths to help in the psychotherapy process. I offer a range of clinical services, including individual therapy for children, adolescents, and adults, family therapy, and couples marital therapy. As a trauma specialist, I also provide trauma assessments for those that are court involved. Within the realm of sports psychology, I provide treatment tailored to meet the needs of both student athletes and pro athletes. I offer individual and group-based interventions focused on developing optimal performance, enhancing athlete well-being, and managing the psychosocial stress associated with competitive sports and a pro-athlete lifestyle. I'm passionate about training early career mental health professionals. When students complete their training with a master's or doctorate in fields of psychology, social work, or mental health counseling, the road ahead can be daunting, and they are often in need of clinical supervision. I help navigate through the provision of clinical supervision uniquely tailored to meet the needs of early career professionals, focused on culturally relevant treatment, empirically based treatment, practice-based evidence, and the development of a strong professional identity.